In this video, we're going to show you how to use Epic eBooks with your students according to our Whitfield County Schools Software Agreement policies. To go to Epic, you're going to go to getepic.com/educators. And once you're there, if you don't have an account, you can sign up for free, or you can sign into the account that you already have. Choose Students and Educators and either continue with Google or go to the regular educator email section and enter your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, in the official Epic instructions, they tell you to give your students the class code. If you print the class instructions from Epic, it will lead you through this process. Please do not follow those class instructions. Instead, follow the ones that we have given you. The next step then for you would be to click on My Students and Roster, because instead of using student information, we're going to use generic information to create a class list for you. If you're in a teaching situation where you have different groups of students, we recommend that you use a numbering system similar to this one. The first group of students that you get, student in seat 1 or in roll book 1 would be student 1.01. To add students in a self-contained room, we've created a roster called Reader 1 through 30. So Reader _1 is the first person in your roll book, and Reader _30 would be on line 30 of your roll book or your class roll. So in that case, you would copy from the spreadsheet and paste in, add your students, and then you'll see that you have a class of readers. Once your class roll populates, simply show the students what their number is and what number that they should look for when they log in. If you assign students Chromebooks by numbers, that would be very easy for them to do. If you do serve multiple class periods, feel free to separate your students so that you can manage them better by making class periods 1 through 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, or 3, or if you switch, whatever your situation is. Do not fill out any more student information, and please do not use Import Google Classroom. The next step for you is to now share your classroom code with your students. So let's go to a student account and see what that would look like if they use Epic. Again, they're going to go to getepic.com just like you do. They're going to click on Students and Educators and enter your classroom code. In this case, the code has already been entered, so the student would simply click on the class. Once the student clicks on the class, a page pops up showing the classroom students who are enrolled in that class, and the student can then choose his or her identifier to get into the class. This example shows the reader style, and the top example shows what happens when you use it by class period. Students have icons, and so pretty soon they'll start identifying where to click by their icon and their number. So clicking through to a student account, you'll see that students will be able to go in and pick and create lists just like they would have if we'd shared their personal data. But there's no need to do so in this account because once they have a generic login, they'll be able to keep up. If you have any questions about how to use Epic eBooks, please refer to the instruction guide, and you can find this if you need to share it with a colleague at tinyurl.com, capital EPIC, capital W, capital C, capital S. We'll pull up this document. To see this video, you simply click on the video instructions link. Please contact Jan Bolhouse or Pam Pettyjohn if you have any questions about using Epic with your students.